yan, hello mga ka-daydream, JNC Moto here. So today, unbox tayo ng helmet Intercom. So kararating lang today, mainit-init pa, fresh from Lazada. Ordered from Jabbre Motor PH. So let's see what's inside the box. Yan, kuha tayo ng pambukas. Let's see kung ano meron tayo dito. Okay, siguro munting na lang. Okay, ayan. Excited na akong buksan tong package. Okay. Ayan. Ay, naka-bubble wrap pa. Okay. Ayan. Uy. Ayan, dalawang J4. Yung isa kay YP. Okay, so let's see. Ayan, so Jabbre J4 Intercom. So meron siyang noise cancellation, waterproof, FM radio, voice prompt, nice. Tapos universal pairing and then 4-way. So ibig sabihin may apat kang ganito, mako-connect mo and pwede kayong mag-usap through intercom. Ayan, 15 hours talking time and then maximum na 1,200 talking distance. That's nice. Okay, doc. So what's inside the box? Let's see. Ayan, so user guide, may plain sticker, aba, yan, may resibo pa tayo, and then the unit itself. Ayan, nice. Ganda, ang ganda ng silver trim nya. And then mayroon tayong pang stick sa helmet. Kung ayaw mo na maidikit, we have a clip. And then boom mic o sa half face helmet. Then we have yung speaker niya, hi-fi speaker. And then ayun yung pang charge niya, USB to Type-C na charger. Alright. Ayan, so ikakabit natin siya dito sa Spyder helmet na full face. So yan, remove muna natin itong mga cover dito sa side, cheek pads. Ayan, so bale meron na itong parang pockets for the speaker. And let's do the same thing on the left side. Since full face yung gamit natin, so ito yung gagamitin nating microphone kaysa dun sa boom mic. So ito yung boom mic for half face na helmet. And this one, didikit natin dito. Dikit na, and then left speaker wires nakatago all the way to the right speaker. Nice. Ayan, next gamitin natin yung clip. Ilagay natin ito dito. Shoot. May hirap pa ba shoot? Ayan, there you go. Other side. And then kabit na natin to. Wag mo na. Okay, ito makakabit na yung wire, nakatago na. And then clip. Yan, remove the clip. Let's slide it in. And then remove yung plug yung plug. There you go. Ayan, clip na lang tatanggalin. Ayan, good to go. Switch on. And then let's pair it sa Bluetooth. Ayan. Connected sa J4. And good to go. Look at that. Ayan, yung secondary natin J4 kakabit natin sa dito sa helmet ni YP. So same step. And ready na for the ride so helmet number 1 ko. Alright? And thank you for watching. So see you on the next vlog. Peace.